Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to draw and color Bluey and Bingo dancing together. Let's start drawing. First I draw Bingo, starting with her eyebrows. Then I draw her ears like this. Her ears are triangular. I continue to draw her body. On her face, I draw two big eyes and a smiling mouth like this. Hey kids, if you like this video, please like this video so I can upload more similar videos. Then I draw her hands. She is dancing, so I draw her hands like this. I draw her to legs. And finally, I draw her tail. Next to her, I draw her brother, Bluey. First, I draw Bluey's nose. Oops. Looks like I forgot to draw Bingo's nose. Sorry about that. Then I draw Bluey's mouth. His mouth is opening. I continue to draw his eyes that are closing. Looks like he's immersed in music. Then I draw his eyebrows. I draw his hands like this. He is dancing so happily. Draw his tail. Then I draw Bluey's legs like this. On his head, I draw his two ears. Around them, I draw musical notes. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use sky blue to paint Bluey's eyes. And I also use this color to paint this part. Then I use dark blue to paint the part around his eyes. Color his tail dark blue. And a part of his ears. use dark yellow to paint. His mouth. Gray. Red. Pink. For bingo, first I use dark yellow to paint. Cream for her body. Finally, I use gray to paint. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.